During yesterday's rolling session, I was getting some footage for YouTube, and I was saying that tomorrow, which is now today, maybe I do a re-entry roll. So flip over, wet exit, and then re-enter underwater and roll back up. Back in the day when I used to practice these a lot, I could do that, flip over, wet exit, get back in underwater, reattach the spray skirt, and then roll up. Today we're just going to roll up. We'll have water in the cockpit, we have a pump for that, and we'll save the putting the cockpit on underwater for another day if I get around to that this year. So turn around a little bit here, put on the nose plugs. That's the wet exit back side. Swim it down here to a little bit deeper water. I just touched the bottom with my feet, and I don't want that. Okay. So I got one foot hooked inside the cockpit here. That's how I'm holding onto the boat. So to keep holding my paddle, get my second leg in, and most of the way in now I'm going to let myself go underwater, get fully into the kayak. And we're up. Got about 3 inches of water in the cockpit. And we're going out on the water, out in the lake, out in the sea. We always bring a kayak pump with us. We're off combing of the pool here. Takes a little while, but it's not too bad. If you're out in the water and you got a buddy with you, you'd raft up at this point, and that would stabilize the kayak if you're in rougher water. You can always flip the boat up. Get up here a little bit. You can always flip the boat upright while you're in the water, straightening some water out, and then use the paddle float and do a re-entry that way. I might do a short video on that one of these days, yeah. Now, I thought I had a couple more re-entry rolls on camera, but apparently my battery went dead, so that's where we're going to end this. There was a little bit more, but nothing worth posting.